Hello everyone, SABER registration in Saudi Arabia. What is SABER registration? SABER is an online platform developed by the Saudi Standards, Metrology and Quality Organization (SASO). For registering products imported or sold in Saudi Arabia, it ensures that all products meet local safety, environmental and quality standards before entering the Saudi market. Why is SABER registration required? Mandatory for all imported and some locally manufactured products, ensures compliance with Saudi technical regulations, protects consumers from non-compliant and unsafe product, enables faster customs clearance, reduces the risk of product rejections at the border. What is the process of SABER registration? There are two main stages. Product Certification of Conformity (PCoC), issued for each regulated product based on test reports and technical documentation valid for 1 year. Second is Shipment Certificate of Conformity (SCoC), issued for every shipment of regulated products, linked to the previously approved PCoC required for customs clearance. Unregulated products. Even unregulated products must be declared in SABER, though the process is simpler and doesn't require certification through a notified body. Introducing a new product to Saudi Arabia, what do investors need to do? If you are an investor launching a new product in Saudi Arabia, you must ensure the product aligns with SASO's technical regulations, obtain necessary conformity assessments, register the product in SABER before shipment, engage an authorized Saudi importer with access to the SABER platform, or register your own platform. Ensure labeling and documentation match Saudi standards, Arabic labels, safety warnings, etc. Timeline for SABER registration. PCoC process will take 3 to 10 business days depending on the product and completeness of the documentation. SCoC process takes 1 to 3 business days per shipment. Delays may occur if documents are incomplete or if third-party testing is required. And how can we, Maju Management Consultancy, assist you? At Maju Management Consultancy, we guide you through every step of SABER registration, product classification and technical regulation mapping, coordination with SASO approved conformity, assessment bodies, managing product testing and documentation, end-to-end handling for customer platform registration, customs advisory for smooth product entry into Saudi Arabia. Whether you are introducing a single item or managing ongoing imports, we streamline your compliance journey. Contact us today to simplify your SABER registration process and get your products into Saudi Arabia market faster and with confidence. Thank you.